Excess phlegm can make you feel heavy and congested, and your daily diet may be the hidden cause. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and ice cream can thicken mucus and block the chest. Fried and oily foods stimulate excess mucus production, leaving you sluggish. Sugary items such as cakes and soft drinks weaken immunity and promote phlegm buildup. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta also worsen congestion. By avoiding these mucus-forming foods and choosing fresh fruits, vegetables, and warm herbal teas instead, you can keep your throat clear and breathe with ease. Stay connected with Health Plus for more health tips and videos.